Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can change your computer name in Windows 10, right? So that's what I'm going to be looking at in this tutorial. But before you get started, I just want to ask, if this is your first time, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, let's get started. Now as you can see, I'm already on my computer right here. So now I just want us to come to our start menu, click on that, and then I want us to click on setting, right? So once you click on setting, this should be opening up. Now I want you to click on system, right? Click on that, and then this should be opening up. Now I want you to scroll down here, and then I want us to click on about right here. So once you click on about, as you can see, this is our device specification, your device name, and then all the processor, all the install, right, or the install RAM and everything on the information about your computer, right? So now as you can see here, you can see it's written rename this PC. So that's where you can change your computer name. So once you click on it, now this should be opening up, right? You can rename your PC. You can use a combination of letters, hyphens, and then numbers, right? So now let's just say maybe I want to name it, let's say Kandowa Media. Kandowa Media. So you don't have to put a space. Let's say if you put a space here and then try to click on next, as you can see, one or more of the character you type on to work, right? So don't put a space. You can use a hyphens or something or letters. So I'm just going to add this, right? Kandowa Media, and then click on next, right? So you change that. After you restart, your PC name will change to Kandowa Media. As you can see, the name will start appearing once you restart your computer, but I'm not going to restart mine, so it will just reappear or appear once I restart it. So yeah, that's how you can change your computer name in Windows 10. So yeah, I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below, and if this was your first time, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, that's it for this tutorial. I will see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.